Hi guys, my name is Aeman. Today I'm going to show you how to make this thing that looks like a pattern. First you need, can have 2 sticks or 2 pencils. You get some string, you put it around like this. And then you see here, you try to make a knot. When you're done doing that knot, you start wrapping it around like this. Then after you do some couple times, you do like 1 circle and then go underneath and keep doing that around. And it would be start looking like this, but don't go to the other side because it's going to look messed up. This you just go under, then 1 loop. When the string is finished, you get your thumb or finger, whatever you want to use. You tie it like this. Then you get another piece of string. You cut out another piece of string. You tie it just like where you stopped. So, because I stopped there, I'm going to start from here. I'm going to start from here now. You tie it. And then with the extra piece you see here, you cut it off with the pair of scissors. Okay, and then you start going from one side to the other side. Keep doing just keep repeating it till it's nearly finished. And while you're doing it, the side you're doing it on will look like this. And the side you're doing, the other side, it will look like a square. And it will be you just keep doing that till the string is nearly hitting the top. You can choose any color of string. You don't need to use the same string because it works with any string you use. Let's see, now it looks like this. The front, the back. While I'm twisting around, it looks like it goes from here and then keep like your VR sometimes follows it so much. And you see here, let me show you. You see here, look, it kind of looks like this is a cross now, and there's just little things here left, but that's fine because it's meant to be like that. And when you finish it, don't take out so it's going to break in pieces. And then it makes you redo it again. So you don't do that. This is just for fun when you're bored and you don't have nothing to do. See, it's keep repeating it, and it will start to look like this. So you're going
Hope you like
keep
me showing you how to make
doing this,
God
going down, around, down,
and I'd be happy
around,
if you like this
down,
video.
around.
See you next
Down,
time.
around.